MPP Bawumia na am winning. Floating voters Bawumia are winning slightly. Kemi nyina boma Bawumia enenam 52. There's a Ghana for nyina delegates. Nkabawumia ana komo ya kope flag bearer. Enye am president, you know, presidential am cousin do 35, you know. We MPP kwa as a party. Ghana for nyina ya MPP delegates na ko ya Kabawumia renye 52. Na akompre konya over 30. A little over 30. And now we say NDC so there na.
NDC, yeah.
Almost there no. Said they mu there no no. Omo there no overwhelmingly na J. And kana omo epeno.
Okay.
And na J no one interesting thing is say as a man a man they almost it was so gender bias. A man in the pen pa. And then J 40 as the ACA 7 previous and your one. And I did back so apart from say dollar na boama and yama no. Also my main can say me back on the TV3 ma am for D matema sending me messages near the adeno. And China I'm IMF ba can say hey Ghana be careful dollar near the day mamu. The way I want $2 no go some force man we never from enye papa.
Yeah, I remember.
World Bank crowd there, but World Bank so many programs and IMF they come my head they were still supplying. Now World Bank they didn't buy any no. I know algebra and almost what intervention on so 56%. That is the first. Normally $100 in the guma and normally say the begum $44 in the begum. It's still over the gumo. Come jan it didn't now.
It's a problem. Just say you go. It's can't go on with gumana. Where is the money coming from?
Yeah, Sikano and a medical culture say your reserves no. Acquire first why your reserves no. About 20 gold. Ebem. About 20 cocoa. Ebem. About Jebosia now receive grant via Bank of Ghana. Ebanho. It's about Jebosia say $1. Busian Bank be do Bank of Ghana Australia. On $5 a buy or the cities and a buy now keep $2 as reserve.
Yeah,
you got 20 gold. Bank of Ghana and the scan basin is not the good reserves. So I just and I'm shout caution them your reserves and their cost. And I win another thing. I'm a reserves and the cost of pan. It goes for oil program now. Yes, 2023 from independence all the way to May 2023. Now Ghana, your total gold reserves are all Bank of Ghana. Now 8.78 tons. 8.78 tons. Your gold reserve are you now. So I'm not for person who tons. Say the adults one. Also cocoa kaya ya na tafa yahoi uko kumasi muni adia. Who say ye will carry your friend 7 tons.
Me who's a can I?
Kakesi ya na ebefa cocoa no. Enya articulator. On say the edinua ebomi edinua
kire no ai.
Ta kosire ko fa niema. Yes 7 ton. Enti ya kasa 7 ton na ye gold no ne dodo nyina sa na nete. Ne ye na Ghana ye wo 8.78 tons of gold. A free 1957. Na Tama 2022 economic crisis never na any who nyansa said we need that reserves to protect the city. 18 years and the US yeah US in now gold reserves enya semketua UK gold reserves enya semketua adenti na ne abani sha say no to gold emu Bank of Ghana na your reserves no koso it is Abraham no ka say if at the end of December na gold reserves na do 30 tons and then I do 32 tons. Say gold reserves no I was sure and the gold price so well they cost the bia it ya cost the bia na and my reserves no say dey e cost and no na ama Bank of Ghana ni nyina aka ho na ama na nya ahoden na and e ka na and they won't tia ti ama your reserves at the end of June na akodi 11.1 billion and say na almost supply do ntino ama is say swat about $10.7 billion at the end of August. You were $10.7 billion and our reserves.
It is our goal for oil program. No better say. I one good policy. And this is twice so. Saying this is continuing.
I mean, good for oil. I'm making Bank of Ghana gold purchasing
program.
Oh,
okay, gold purchases. Okay.
Go for oil, they normally the gold, the cotton oil.
The cotton oil, no.
Okay. BDC is cotton oil. We gold purchasing in the Bank of Ghana.
And but also Bank of Ghana go to twice our policy in the
Odagusu. Policy papa me kra no ebeya omuntre omunkra batam ne yenton mo nchen de yeton. Se Ghana timinya gold about 200 tons of gold. Egu Bank of Ghana see the be jira forever.
Okay. I don't know say what the way nyina ka ho a whether more research na mo yemu busa nkrofo about approval ratings said omo ye na brochi no.
No, approval rating dey
because me will say Musa dan kwa de no my president dey na so ate from 74% to 65%.
Ada ma men ka say economy no de ne ejina ne na so pa na sa se me okoka Ghana fo be di do say na ana so sorry e come dey on say macroeconomic indicators no ya na ewo wa e yesu de e average ma men ka inflation inflationary basket no there were items, so many of them, I've lost count of them, almost about 400 items, over 300 to 400. And they were a basket in them. They are tiny set. And then they a big bonus of a coffin. And then they also a bishop board of Kosopa, a bishop board and Kokra. It's a 9.4 rate now, and your average for all the things. It is a whole code. That's a debut out on one city, and they are cut on 2 cities. And Chile said, then now
it is possible. Honorable Sam Nate George, bien, Mr. Nankabusumia, yes, median care, no for bosom, breast cancer awareness, and a cable with the renounce. So, what the book now what you and I said, yet, yes, September, and Honorable Sam George Becca said, BSTV for a book Ghana for the do. It's answer. Oko Nigeria, any other countries, no, we should DSTV now. Ghana sika etua e wo soro e chen other countries no enti DSTV for entity omo price ni so omo antete so obe closing it down that some we buy Ghana for bebre boss Sam George chi omo ta na chi se ku we de omo nyina support jata mu bom na ompre de ye fama Ghana na no ana da bia committee meeting stakeholders meeting na da bia engagement na no ada ya na Sam George de beto abonten se and come on dino for weeks and months no nyame dom positive response aba de na o ka kire nyina ne sen come be price reduction in the first na ka wotua 150 cedis and here say bet metua be 100 cedis and 90 cedis na so anko ba ne sa sisi se de na wotua na abetua na mum channels ana abanya bia ka ho de na Ghana fon so hwe ne say ye mpe channel de ye pe ne se sika na ne bo wo soro se muti sika no so ba forma de ye pe na ye betua na se de me pe na mechusi enye de wo beka se wo de channel de bia beka wo se de wo ye MTN band wa ye wo send boat a ye to a seconds na asa no ye mpe no bi Sam George ntimi ante price ne so ntimi ma DSTV ante so de enkomo ni nyina akọ we ene se sika na ye tua ne first e de to ye se bia ope compact plus ana ope de na family one package ni ade na na mo pe ni mo hwe ball ene o mo pe nso de ahwe ada movies ni ade no na mo use no sisi obetua the same money ni but bia na nka wonya family sisi oba upgrade akọ anim na wonya channels ni bi aka ho when na Ghana force there bi ekon ye nyina ye kabo man ye ta wachi ane ye kono enye sa akon we ne ekon ye ekon se prices ne bo wo soro even though the channels ni bi aka ho nanso still na Nigeria for tua sika ketwa e de nya channels bebrebe e chen Ghana for sika na o se ye ntua ne mfanye channel no de kwa we nyina ne se na DSTV for multi choice Ghana omo ye promo afibia no omo ye promo e de mo customers enti mo a mo use DSTV do won say e ho amema mo some price bi utua we ya beko woni we upgrade akwa ni anya channels ni bi eno mo ye hu djuma e ya 3 months period e be si e ya 31st December to ma shase 1st October eno na Sam George dim di kan 10 ba ya beka say ai e minister no anase ministry no na ne DSTV fo akotena se ama o maka so mo the channel di because say na e DSTV fo na nkasa e promo eno mo ya e be end 31st December we ana Sam George join news odi nkomo oni journalist ba ko e friend Evans obisa ne se sika na wo ka so beti so nya na notice one kan je so ko pecha na obebre wo ka che se enkwoti sika no so awokan ya Sam George say wo lack comprehension to GS ensa nko Now fa curriculum syllabus ni bi nkwa kan wona ye nkyere nkwala e ma mo nti brofo na journalist join new journalist ne nti brofo we ye kan we na me kura de na ha me kura ne se DSTV ni pasan e na te Ghana ye hwe DSTV ye use DSTV senya ukọ kuro bi so a me kuro makura se eni patu e na yibo enti ni patu pe na use DSTV nanso obi an sori a obi a adwini sikọ de beto data bundle ho eno ye ntimi nto high cost of living and niema boy din some George LGBTQ galamse kuni pa ni nyina some George so wonte dia what ya DSTV maybe so since when ana DSTV ebe ye need since when ana DSTV be ya ade a se Ghana for ye nya yentimentina eni asetina ma yentimentina nunti minister ekuni ho ekuni wa DSTV for so aka say price no enya de on bete so ne ate so
Bunu East wow when but only they were almost at the same level. Ahafo now or second to Asedun Ketia. Bono he was second to Asedun Ketia. So now Uban Bedanaji Ewene Greater Accra he was second to Nanaji. It is now Entinama Utininya Enya 35 point something I'm saying 36.
Okay. Like I said, in MPP there say BBN change here. Do you even think that research there's someone there?
As I said last year, not Muhammad Dini. Also, me know ye ya de me na Muhammad weni. Na Muhammad getting to the latter days, because Baumia was doing very well.
Yeah.
Na Baumia was about 49, Muhammad 47. That is in Kananka. Baumia for the first time in about 20 pools Bakupe na Baumia etimi edikai. And that was the last one. And so you have to about changing cry.
Yeah.
Changing cry because you got to about the time who say change after that make confirm another research. The time who say change Ghana we have voter register now. Nipa 18.7 million omudi. Yura Mahama and our president. It moved 6.5 million per net man.
Okay.
That is almost no friend department and send no more qualifiers or Twaba, who pen the Twaba, Yura, John Daman Mama. That is like we are crying who's on or we know over 1 million with over 56%. But the support with the voter population in Kasa as a only support to say.
But it also shows that Bebre and Twaba, Bebre and Twaba.
I want to come became Nina say, I'm on for Twaba. Now, how much Twaba? The research na me koye no kire me pefi say I'm MPP for na Twaba nkra. NDC.
Yeah, no question about 2 million people were MPP for ma meto.
NDC. 98 out of every 100 omoka so mo ye NDC. Omo Twaba.
98% of NDC for Twaba.
They were hungry for power. They were hungry for change, so they didn't joke at all. MPP, Omomuka so MPP, about 76 in Twaba.
Okay. Antivirus, where your homework? I don't know if you are privy to this research.
It was in Akufo-Addo 2020, onya 6.7 million. The Nana Akufo-Addo votes onya 2020 no. Say Kayira Baumia got to me sa. Against John Dramani Mahama.
You could not even make Akufo-Addo total vote in 2020.
Well, no.
I don't know what is the cause. Is it due to candidate Bawumia, ne campaign strategy, party, and a combination of Nina?
I can't say member the same research that we in our PMO. As I remember, Mayra, a medical can say Busan propose can see a Twabana. One and Calvert Traman. I may end with Yesa Busa say, Senka, we NDC delegate, Nankasi Kotraba, one and Calvert Trabaman. We MPP delegate, one and Calvert Trabaman. Mammy, one a member, the reason why I'm on for Traban. And also, Yabusa say, we are MPP near Anankane. Sakai MPP delegate. Also, we are ordinary Ghanaians on the street. When you are going to say we MPP delegate, I want to come to Abanaman. And no, almost NDC for 49% can come to Abama. You are a comprego.
Oh, NDC for 49% so better ama Canada Japan.
Come man I flag bearer. And about 43 say omo pe Baumia. Na just sanka NDC for na yeko choose flag bearer ama MPP anka hands down anka yura akompre ku be win. And omo smaller political parties and I say omo nya affiliated no so yebusa omo no. And also so a little over 40 e kan so omo pe Baumia. And era akompre kunya a little over 30%.
I see. Canada Japan is very popular among NDC supporters.
Minim the level of and also make come once me back the general one make come once so popular because what this hard also echo compound NDC for now omo kan say onye flag bearer so we should data ni mu a we be obi so wo ha tam aka say nka ye president ne ana ezi choose a we say no obi e ba say onyisu on pe flag bearer ne na go so pe Kenya Japan and say ni pa na boys na osa ko say e de ba omia so it won't be making conclusion this
okay
but that people for no dey ebusa wo no almost 71% think on beto aba ba omia
okay oh wow into Baumia among them people for the Baumia was very
overwhelming
and NDC so
meba NDC is it for net 71 Baumia and a 21 Yura Akompreko. And so
gap in the muso.
Esopa.
Wow.
Esopa. But